Welcome to a seamless, empowering journey toward your business horizons. Whether you're just stepping into the market or aiming for international heights, our mission is to provide a warm, dedicated hand at every turn. We believe every business dream deserves a tailored path, and our expertise ensures you're never alone on this journey. From the first spark of an idea to the realization of your corporate ambitions, we're here to guide, support, and celebrate every milestone with you. Let's explore how your business can thrive with the right foundation and strategic guidance. First step in your business journey is laying an elegant corporate foundation. This means more than just paperwork. It's about setting up your business entities under the best legal and tax structures. Our bespoke corporate formalization process ensures that every detail is handled with care so you can focus on your vision. We guide you seamlessly through registration and incorporation, making sure your company is built on solid ground. With the right foundation, your business is ready to grow and adapt to any market. Immaculate fiscal optimization is key to your business's serenity and success. We supervise your bookkeeping and ensure your corporate tax compliance is pristine. Our team handles the numbers so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. With our expertise, you'll never have to worry about missing deadlines or facing unexpected tax issues. We keep your finances organized, transparent, and fully compliant, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to innovate. Navigating industry regulations can be daunting, but with our graceful regulatory clearance support, you glide through even the most stringent mandates. We help you satisfy all statutory requirements and certifications specific to your industry. Our team's deep understanding of regulatory landscapes ensures your business operates smoothly and legally. With us, you can confidently pursue new opportunities, knowing that every compliance detail is expertly managed. Winning lucrative tenders starts with strategic advisory. We carefully align your enterprise to meet and exceed the rigorous eligibility metrics required for high-value public and private contracts. Our expertise ensures your business stands out in competitive markets. We analyze requirements, prepare your documentation, and position your company for success. With our guidance, you're not just applying, you're competing to win. Artful bid architecture takes your tender submissions to the next level. We meticulously compile, refine, and submit technically sound and financially competitive tenders or quotations. Whether you're targeting local or international markets, our process ensures your bids are not only compliant but also compelling. We focus on every detail from technical accuracy to financial competitiveness, maximizing your chances of winning contracts. TenderBridge Solutions is your partner in navigating the complex world of tenders. Our team brings together years of experience and a passion for helping businesses succeed. We understand the nuances of both public and private contracting, and we're committed to guiding you every step of the way. With our support, you can confidently pursue opportunities that once seemed out of reach. Once your contract is awarded, our devoted lifecycle management takes over. We provide rigorous protective oversight and strategic management from the very moment your contract begins until its successful closeout. Our approach ensures that every phase of the contract is handled with care, minimizing risks and maximizing outcomes. You can trust us to safeguard your interests and deliver results. Technical excellence is at the heart of every successful project. Our team conducts rigorous engineering audits across civil, structural, mechanical, and electrical systems. We leave no stone unturned, ensuring that every aspect of your project meets the highest standards. With our detailed audits, you gain clarity, confidence, and a competitive edge in your industry. Accurate project costing is essential for financial clarity and security. We formulate precise bills of quantities and technical estimations, so your financial vision is always clear. Our meticulous approach ensures that you have a reliable roadmap for budgeting and resource allocation. With us, you can plan confidently and execute your projects efficiently. Growth is more than expansion, it's about building capacity and resilience. We deliver specialized training and consultancy to empower your team. Our programs teach you how to navigate e-procurement platforms and master contract workflows. With our support, your team gains the skills and confidence needed to thrive in a digital business environment. A robust IT infrastructure is the backbone of modern business. We deploy and integrate seamless IT frameworks to keep your daily workflows running smoothly. Our solutions are tailored to your needs, ensuring reliability, security, and scalability. With the right technology in place, your business can adapt quickly and operate efficiently. Inspiring capacity building is at the core of our mission. We offer empowering training and consultancy that helps your team master new technologies and processes. Our approach is hands-on and practical, ensuring that your staff can confidently handle e-procurement and contract management. With ongoing support, your business stays ahead of the curve. At TenderBridge Solutions, we see ourselves as your trusted partner. Our commitment goes beyond services. We build lasting relationships with our clients. We listen, understand your goals, and tailor our solutions to fit your unique needs. With us, you're not just a client, you're part of our success story. Whether your ambitions are local or international, we have the expertise to help you reach new markets. Our global perspective and local knowledge combine to give you a competitive edge. We help you navigate cross-border regulations, cultural nuances, and market entry strategies. With us, your business is ready to expand and succeed anywhere. Every business is unique, and so are our solutions. We take the time to understand your challenges and design strategies that fit your goals. Our flexible approach means you get exactly what you need when you need it. From startup support to advanced consulting, we're here for every stage of your journey. We believe in continuous improvement. Our team regularly reviews processes, adopts best practices, and seeks innovative ways to add value. This commitment to excellence ensures your business stays competitive and agile in a fast-changing world. With us, you're always moving forward. Our clients' success is our greatest reward. We've helped businesses of all sizes achieve their goals, win major contracts, and grow sustainably. Each story is a testament to our dedication and expertise. We're proud to be part of our clients' journeys and celebrate every achievement together. Our team is made up of industry experts with years of hands-on experience. We stay up to date with the latest trends, regulations, and technologies to provide you with the best advice. With our guidance, you can make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. We're here to help you succeed every step of the way. From the first consultation to project completion, we offer comprehensive support. Our services cover every aspect of business development, tendering, and contract management. You can rely on us for timely advice, practical solutions, and ongoing assistance. We're committed to your long-term success. Clear and efficient communication is at the heart of our service. We keep you informed at every stage, ensuring transparency and trust. Our team is always available to answer your questions and address your concerns. With us, you're never left in the dark. Managing risk is essential for business stability. We identify potential challenges early and develop strategies to mitigate them. Our proactive approach protects your interests and ensures smooth project delivery. With our support, you can navigate uncertainties with confidence. Our regulatory expertise sets us apart. We stay ahead of changing laws and industry standards, ensuring your business remains compliant. From certifications to audits, we handle the details so you can focus on growth. Trust us to keep your operations running smoothly and legally. Embracing digital transformation is key to staying competitive. We help you integrate the latest technologies into your business processes, from IT infrastructure to e-procurement platforms. Our solutions are designed to boost efficiency, security, and scalability. With us, you're ready for the digital future. Mastering e-procurement is essential for modern contracting. Our training programs teach your team how to use digital platforms effectively, streamlining procurement and contract management. With these skills, you can respond faster to opportunities and manage contracts with ease. Transparency in financial management builds trust and confidence. We provide clear, detailed reports and keep you informed about your financial status. Our approach ensures you always know where your business stands, helping you make smart decisions for the future. Success starts with the right mindset. We encourage a culture of ambition, resilience, and continuous learning. Our team supports you in setting bold goals and pursuing them with determination. With the right attitude, every challenge becomes an opportunity. Innovation drives progress. We foster creative thinking and encourage new ideas that add value to your business. Our solutions are designed to be flexible and adaptable, ensuring you stay ahead in a dynamic market. With us, innovation is part of your everyday operations. We believe in sustainable growth that balances profit with responsibility. Our strategies help you expand your business while maintaining ethical standards and social impact. With our guidance, you can achieve long-term success that benefits your company and the community. A successful project closeout is just as important as a strong start. We ensure all deliverables are met, documentation is complete, and lessons are learned for future improvement. Our approach guarantees that every project ends on a high note, ready for the next opportunity. Building strong networks is vital for business growth. We connect you with industry leaders, partners, and potential clients. Our events and forums provide opportunities to share knowledge, collaborate, and discover new possibilities. With the right connections, your business can reach new heights. Staying informed about market trends is crucial. We provide up-to-date market intelligence, helping you anticipate changes and make strategic decisions. Our insights give you a competitive edge, ensuring your business is always prepared for what's next. Optimizing resources is key to efficiency and profitability. We help you allocate time, money, and talent where they're needed most. Our strategies reduce waste and maximize output, ensuring your business operates at peak performance. Quality is non-negotiable. Our quality assurance processes ensure that every product and service meets the highest standards. We conduct regular checks and audits, addressing issues before they become problems. With us, quality is built into everything you do. Your customers are at the center of everything we do. We help you understand their needs, deliver exceptional service, and build lasting relationships. Our customer-focused approach drives loyalty and repeat business, fueling your growth. Agility is essential in today's fast-paced world. Our agile project management techniques help you adapt quickly to changes and deliver results efficiently. We break projects into manageable phases, allowing for flexibility and continuous improvement. Making decisions based on data leads to better outcomes. We help you collect, analyze, and interpret data to guide your strategies. Our approach ensures your choices are informed, objective, and aligned with your goals. Transparency builds trust. We ensure all our processes are open and clear, from tendering to project delivery. You'll always know what's happening and why, fostering a strong partnership based on honesty and integrity. We believe in the power of collaboration. Our strategic partnerships with industry leaders and service providers expand your resources and capabilities. Together, we can achieve more and unlock new opportunities for your business. The business world never stands still, and neither do we. Our commitment to continuous learning keeps us and you at the forefront of industry trends. We invest in training, research, and development to deliver the best solutions. You take the next step. Reach out to us today and let's start building your contracting potential together. Our headquarters are located at Post Adigo Road, Mombasa. You can email us at tenderbridgesolutions@gmail.com or call us at +254 700 466,081 or +254 790 822,410. We're excited to connect and help you achieve your business goals. Our mission is to empower businesses to reach their full potential. We do this by providing expert guidance, innovative solutions, and unwavering support. Every client is a valued partner, and your success is our ultimate goal. We envision a world where every business, regardless of size or location, has the tools and support needed to succeed. Our vision drives us to innovate, collaborate, and deliver exceptional value to our clients every day. We invite you to join us on this journey of growth and achievement. Together, we can overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and build a brighter future for your business. Let's connect, collaborate, and succeed one step at a time. Thank you for considering TenderBridge Solutions as your business partner. We look forward to working with you and supporting your journey to success. Together, let's turn your corporate dreams into reality.